Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add preferences on religious views on Facebook dating. Maybe you want to add preferences on religious views on Facebook dating but you don't know how. In today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add religious views preferences on Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you open it, simply tap on this heart icon for you to be directed on Facebook dating. And here, tap on the settings at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you are in this ideal match, you will see below the advanced preferences. Tap on this drop down button and scroll down and you'll see here the religious views. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can choose the religion that you prefer. For example, the Catholic and Christian. After that, you can turn this on if this is a strong preferences. To save it, simply tap on the Save button at the upper right corner of your screen. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add preferences on religious views on your Facebook dating, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can add religious views on your Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.